Where to store my 18650 batteries? Welcome back to a new video of SP3D. I have designed at FREECAD a dual case for those batteries, and I 3D printed that case at my Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon, as you can see. As the printing has finished, I can now show you all the parts. The top cover, the main body, the pin to mount the cover, the clip, and the 2 pins for the clip. Since I have all the parts, let's assemble the dual case for my batteries. If you like this videos and you want to watch more of them, the only thing you have to do is to follow me at socials with the name SP3D. You can find me on the following social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, X, Twitter, and Instagram. And that's it. Now I store the batteries in my case. Now I can carry the batteries everywhere I go with the dual case I have designed. As much I show you the design at FREECAD, I want to inform you that you can download the STL files for the storage box for free from my account SP3D at makerworld.com. I needed about some hours to finish the design. The whole procedure was very funny, and I suggest you to design things for 3D printing. If you like this video, press subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave your comments. Stay tuned to SP3D for more videos and shorts that will come up in the future. Thanks for watching.